So I am Rhianna, and we are here in my studio home here in Asheville, North Carolina, and I am the owner and illustrator of Ello Lovey. Ello Lovey. Ello Lovey is inspired by my grandma, who was British, and it's a tribute to her. She loved to make things by hand, and I was always inspired by that. And so I wanted my company name to reflect that. I came up with all kinds of crazy names that were really, really bad. And I just happened to come up with that British phrase and write it down, and I said it out loud, and it's just like, it was clear to me that was meant to be my company name. I've been designing since I was little, basically. I started out doing fashion design in school. I really enjoyed it, but really fast-paced for me, and I wasn't quite connecting with it. And so one of my teachers shared with me that she thought I should get into graphic design. As soon as I took my first class, I fell in love with it. My teachers were so enthusiastic and shared their love for it. So I kind of just started drawing on my own and coming up with designs that turned into prints. I started seeing other illustrators and designers make stuff for sale and wanted to put my foot in the door and do the same thing, make a career out of it. And then it just kind of evolved into a shop, my own Etsy shop, and it's become what I do today. So I would describe my style as simple, modern, with a whimsical, playful flair. It has a spirit of adventure in it and optimism. I just want to make people feel happy, joyful with my artwork. That's my goal. If there's a trend that I see going on, if I really am into it, then I'll go for it and make something. I try to make what I'm feeling happy about and what I think will make other people happy. Trying to share my joy with other people. I want to make, not just to make, I want to make to inspire people, maybe help them get through something they're going through. I mean, I think that's where a lot of my like the quotes that I come up with just kind of come to me and maybe help me at a time where I might need a little encouragement, and I want to share that with other people too that are going through the same things or maybe something of their own. And so I just want to make more thoughtful art that connects with people. So if I had to give some advice to new designers, it would be just to go for it. It takes a lot of pressure off when you just do something playful and just let it go. Just be free to not feel like you have to be perfect, and just have fun with it.